All right, forgot my cup. Doing a 1 minute shake and swirling motion. I know I'm supposed to show you the mites on the camera. Okay, this is Ray, and I'm going to go ahead and do my Varroa Mite test. The first thing I'm going to do is find my queen. She'll be below the queen excluder here. Not my strongest hive for sure. Alright, there she is. Put her in this clip so that she is taken care of and set her in the shade. And this is actually a really good frame for me to use for this test because I've got a mix of brood, uncapped, eggs, etc. I'm going to go ahead and look at the next frame all over, see if I like it better. And actually I do like it better. So I think I'll go ahead and use this one. I've got to run down and get my cup, so hold on 1 second. All right, forgot my cup. All right, I got a couple of bees. Alcohol. Doing a 1 minute shake and swirling motion. And I like to let it sit for just a moment, and then I'll just do another 30 seconds after that while I go ahead and put this hive back together. Alright, now this is the part I'm kind of not so sure how it's going to go, but I'll do my best. I'm going to go ahead and count them myself. I've got 4 mites, so just over 1%. And it's a little early in the season, so that's actually pretty good. I know I'm supposed to show you the mites on the camera, so I'm going to see how this goes. Unfortunately, through my veil, I can't tell if you can see. I think you should be able to. And so at this point, being just over 1%, my only decision would be just to test them again in 30 days. If they're below 2 or 3%, I'm not going to do any treatment. This hive is actually about to get a brood break because I'm going to be requeening it because I'm not pleased with the queen's production anyway. So that's also going to be like a secondary effect to be able to control mites, is that brood break. But yeah, being only 4 mites for 300 bees, so just over 1%. So it's 1 mite per 100. It's by 1.25%. So I'm below my threshold to actually have to treat at this point in the season. So like I say, I'll test them again in 30 days and see where they're at, especially after I requeen them with that brood break. The mites won't be able to reproduce. So that's my plan for that. That is it. Thank you very much.
This is Ray from Honey.Bees. I just want to encourage you, would you mind doing me a favor and like my channel and also subscribe to my channel? My channel is rather new, although I've been beekeeping for a while, and so I could use every like and subscribe I could get. So I appreciate you helping me out a little bit. And I'm going to continue to make videos to encourage you in your beekeeping journey.